Hey, we're in Chiang Mai. We've actually been here for about 3 months and we leave in just 5 days. So we just got done filming an amazing 1 week in Chiang Mai. We went to Poo Poo Paper Park. We went to sticky waterfalls. We did a Khao Soi noodle tour. We did a city walk around tour, and we did a elephant sanctuary where we stayed overnight and the elephants woke us up in the morning. It was incredible. But today's gonna be just a little bit different. We wanted to take you and show you what a day in the life of a World School family can look like. It's not always epic 1 week adventures. Sometimes it's just a Tuesday and we go to a kids cafe for lunch.
And I'm gonna play pirate after school.
Boya Magic actually reached out to us and they wanted to sponsor this video. So all day we're gonna be shooting with their Boya Magic, but more on that later.
So rainy season in Chiang Mai, it rains, I don't know, every so often, like sometimes all day, every day, but sometimes maybe just a couple hours. Right now it hasn't been raining this morning, but now it is. So I guess we'll see how long it lasts today.
And sometimes we get this. It just stopped raining. So it's raining on the north side of town, south side of town, no rain at all. Okay, so what's on the plan today? First of all, we're going to our favorite kids cafe after school. And then later we're gonna do a proper home tour because you guys keep asking for one. Then some schoolwork because yeah, that's still gotta happen. And then we'll end the night at our favorite Mexican restaurant. And even though this doesn't count towards our 1 weekend series budget, we'll still be tracking all of our expenses today. But it should be way less than the normal $300 a day we get.
That was 480 baht. 2 drinks and then get the kids in.
I'm gonna do the tour of after school. So over here is where the sand is. And then this is the toilet over here. There's a huge pirate ship. And then I told you there's sand and then there's the cover. And this is where you can buy food to feed the fishes. 20 baht.
20 baht?
Yeah. This is the sand and this is where the hair. So sandy. Got past here. Now, this is the big pirate ship.
So whenever we come to after school, we sometimes sit down here in like the open air, but also there's another cool place over here. Right up here, there's an air-conditioned room. It's really easy to see the kids down there.
This place is very cool. So it really wasn't that expensive to get in either.
All right, let's go sit down and wait for our drinks. All right, got our drinks. That's delicious. Mint chocolate, my favorite.
We're gonna go feed the fish. Yay! Thank you. Paprika. Oh, that stinks. Whoa, I almost fell.
Okay.
Sneeze, I said hurry.
What are you girls getting ready to go do?
We're gonna go get some guava, so we need some money. Wait! Oops, we forgot our shoes. Oh yeah. Oh, we got some apples and so it was 80 baht. Guava, Mommy! We gave her 100 and we got 20 back. We're gonna get in this truck.
All right, we're back home. We're gonna let the girls go take a bath before we show you the rest.
Welcome to your apartment. So, this is Lily and Cora's room and mine. And this is the shower and the toilet and bathroom where the sink is. And over here is the dining room and the living room. And here's the kitchen, where there's the fridge and all the cooking stuff. And here's the mom, and here's your, and here's your room. Here's mom and dad's room. And here's the toilet and the sink and the bathtub and the shower. Bye.
We're staying at DD Park Apartments, and they clean once a week, which is included in our rent. It's 22,000 baht a month, plus water and electricity. We do use our AC every night, so it does end up coming out to be about $200 or $300 for the electricity a month. Also, they have a really nice pool, and let's go check it out because they just redid the deck. So let's go see. All right, let's see what the new deck and pool looks like. Still finishing it up, but it looks great. And the girls really have been enjoying splashing around. It has been closed for a couple weeks though, so maybe it'll open before we have to leave in a couple days. All right, now we are gonna go do some school before dinner, so let's go.
What are you working on?
I'm doing spelling, math, and I'm doing reading. Wow.
And what letter are you looking for?
This one.
What is that letter?
All
All right, so the girls are working on their worksheets, but we kind of do a mixture of things. We do worksheets, and then we also do some stuff on their iPads, like reading eggs and iExcel. And then we also have another resource on Thursdays. They do classes without school, and Lily does a writing class, Cora does an art class with painting, and then Harper does a science class. She learns about different bugs. So OutSchool is a really awesome program, and you can find all kinds of classes on there. We do have a code, Adam and Lynn's 30, if you'd like to check it out, and we'll put everything in the description. But I will go ahead and show you what they do on their iPads now. All right, so they're all on their iPads now, and Cora is working on Reading Eggs, which is an awesome program. She's learning how to read, and she also can do some math on there with phonics. So, yep, great. And then we have Lily over here doing Duolingo. I think I forgot to mention that earlier, but we are learning Japanese because we love Japan. If you've watched us before, you know we love Japan, so Duolingo is awesome. And then Harper over here is doing iExcel, and it's a great program because we are from Indiana and we're able to put that in, and it shows what curriculum we need to be at each level, each grade level, and they're able to also do assessments, and we can see that we're right on track on where we're supposed to be. So it's awesome.
So the cool things to do is like hold these things, right, and walk around. Anyway, we are going to do school for a little bit, and then we're going to head out and head to Mexican. So we'll pick back up in a little bit. Might take a red truck, might walk. We'll see. Hey guys, while the girls are in there doing school, I wanted to stop and take a look at all the footage and listen to the audio. I've been recording everything today on this device right here. This is the Boya Magic, and it's the world's first transformable AI-powered mini microphone. And so far, I think it's pretty awesome. So what makes it transformable is that it has 4 different forms. It's got the clip-on microphones, it's got the desktop mount, it's got the camera mount, and then it's got the handheld. So it's very versatile. It kind of like replaces a bunch of gear that we usually have in our camera bags and fits in this little thing right here. Throughout the day, we've been using this mic the entire day. So every bit of audio in this video, unless I specify, was recorded on the Boya Magic Mic. So I do kind of want to show you that this is the case that it comes in, and it fits everything, all of the accessories. So that's like huge. As full-time traveling content creators, we have so much gear. We have cameras and mics and chargers, and like if we can reduce any bit of weight or any bit of space in our bag, that's awesome. So if you're interested in the mic, you can visit the link in the description. You can use the unique coupon code and save some money on it. Let's get back to the video. We gotta go get Mexican, but first I wanna show you how all of this fits in this bag. So we're gonna switch over to the onboard Sony mic right now, so it's like no mic at all. So now we are on the internal mic on the Sony camera, and this is the receiver. It's like all the brains, and it mounts on top of the camera. And it receives wirelessly from either this unit here or one of the clip-on mics here. All of it fits down. We can put the phone thing back on, pop it in there, put this guy in here, put that in there, that guy goes in there, this guy holds the phone things, put those in there, we got this, close it down, zip it up, ta-da! This is smaller than some of the bags we have for some of the girls' toys. Awesome, right?
So This is rainy season. It pours all day, all night until morning, and then it stops for like 5 minutes, and then it goes back. And we're going to Miguel's, or I mean Amigos if we don't have seats left. We're gonna go to Miguel's.
Okay, I think this is a perfect opportunity to demonstrate the AI noise cancellation on the Boya mic. So this is without it, and just press on the top of the mic, and this is with the noise cancellation. So this is the AI noise cancellation on the Boya mic, and without. Yeah, all right. Well, if you're seeing it in the video, it must be pretty good.
All right, we're headed to Amigos. We're in our song pal.
That's Miguel's.
It's not my favorite.
And we like that place a lot, but it won't focus. We're going to Amigos tonight, which is right over there. It's on the other side of the river. And do they look busy? Oh, they look so full. They look so full.
Our sea is gone.
Just got to Amigos. The problem with this place is there's not very much seating outside. There's only like 2 tables that'll fit 5 people, and then the rest are all like 2 tables. But it looks like a couple guys are almost done eating, so we might head up there just to sit. We'll look over the menu and maybe order something and then head outside. Taco. So we don't really film ourselves eating on like the best of circumstances, but it's kind of like a library in here. It's so quiet. Hopefully we'll move outside.
Alright, so we just did all our food, but still no tables are cleared up outside, so we decided we're going to actually move to Miguel's, which is the other place that we were telling you about. And I already messaged them and have a table for us in 30 minutes. So we'll probably get a little bit of something there and one of the girls get some ice cream. So
Alright, we're leaving. It did clear out as soon as we were leaving, which is weird because it's 6:30. You would think it would get busier, not less busy. But we are going to head to Miguel's now, as Lindsay said, and it's just right down the road.
We get ice cream.
Oh, yeah. That's very cool. Okay, seconds. We got our shake, and we're gonna get some chips, some guacamole, maybe some French fries, and then I think we're gonna get some tacos later because they have this amazing ground beef here. It's like super spicy. It's so good. But I'm not super hungry right now because we just ate. So we're gonna chill, have some beers, and let the girls eat, watch their iPads. Yeah, you brought their iPads too. That's cool. Don't judge us. Or judge us. I don't care. It's all engagement. Leave comments about how bad we are in the comment section. It's awesome. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit.
All right, we got our tacos. The girls got their ice cream, and I think we're done for the night. So see you later.
We got the ground beef tacos. They're amazing. Oh yeah, you got to mention these tacos. The ground beef here is awesomely spicy. And tonight it's really good spice. It's not like Thai spice either. It's like a Mexican spice. It's really good. It's hot.
Spicy as we've ever had.
Tonight's the spiciest we've ever had. Yeah.
Spicy as we've ever had. It's delicious, but mouth's on fire.
Yeah, I might have to get another beer, but these things are so good. But anyway, I just had to pop in and say that, guys. Ooh, so good.